Hi, welcome to Travelmakers TV. I'm Saeed with you with another video from Amsterdam. In this video I will walk at Dam Street. I will walk to Dam Square. So Dam Street to Dam Square, and I will show you different direction on Dam Square. So be with me on this video. Yes, this is here. First bridge. Yeah, this is bridge 215. This is south direction of this bridge. South direction, bridge 215. And here we have, yeah, I think it's a little bit difficult, but north direction, north view of this bridge. So this is Dam Street, and yeah, you can see Dam Square or Royal Palace there. I think it's very small, but we'll walk toward Dam Royal Palace. Yes, we are at Dam Street, and this is I think the name of this bridge. I'm looking for that. Okay, it's also very beautiful view here. You can see this direction. This is north view. And there is also, yeah, red light district direction this way. Yeah, and this way. Yeah, Varkens Luis is the name of this street. Varkens Luis. So easy. Yeah, Dam Street. We are going to Dam Square. It's a very busy street. Yeah, it's very busy, just a well-known street, middle of red light district and Dam Square. Yeah, you can sit here in a bar, or if you're hungry, just take your lunch here. So yeah, it's a good street to take something. Also, yeah.
But Ripley is like... Eigenlijk moet zo... Oh, dat moet je
Ja, ik ga het zonnetje zetten.
Yes, here we are, Dam Square Royal Palace. So I like the vibes always on this square. It's really, yeah, something different. So let's see the vibes here.
نفس الصيدلية.
Here we are, Dam Square.